Wildfire erupts near Tarifa. Evacuations, beach closures, and fierce winds fan the flames just days after the last coastal inferno. Another wildfire broke out near Tarifa on Monday afternoon, forcing evacuations and causing disruptions less than a week after the last major summer fire along the popular coastline. The blaze began around 2 p.m. in Sierra de la Plata, near Punta Camarinal, between the busy beach of Bolonia and the nearby Playa de los Alemanes.
Mira el chale, mira el chale, mira el chale. ¡Wow! ¡Uf!
Spain's wildfire response mechanism, Plan Infoca, deployed significant resources to bring the flames under control. A total of 14 helicopters and amphibious planes dropped water on the fire, while crews from Tarifa and Algeciras, supported by firefighters from Chiclana, Benelux, and Cadiz, worked on the ground. Nearby homes and resorts, including Atlanterra near Playa de los Alemanes, were evacuated as a precaution, with traffic diversions also in place. Other residents in the area who were not ordered to evacuate were advised to keep windows and doors closed as strong Levanter winds, reaching up to 50 km/h, pushed smoke and flames toward the coastline. By late afternoon, a Level 1 emergency response had been activated. In the area threatened by the fire are homes owned by well-known figures who have had second residences there for years. These individuals, politicians, singers, actors, and others enjoy some of the most exclusive spots in the region, above the Atlanterra apartment.